Welcome back, tech troubleshooters. Is your LG TV not turning on and the usual red standby light is off? In today's guide, we're tackling the issue of how to fix your LG TV not turning on when the red light is off. This is a common problem that can be both frustrating and puzzling. Don't worry, we're here to walk you through some effective solutions to get your TV back up and running. Step 1. Check power connections. First things first, let's make sure the basics are covered. Verify that your TV is properly connected to a power outlet. Unplug the power cord, wait for about 60 seconds, and then plug it back in securely. If your outlet has a power switch, make sure it's turned on. Sometimes simply resetting the connection can solve any loose contact issues. Also, try a different outlet to rule out an electrical issue. Step 2. Inspect the power cord. A faulty power cord could be the reason that your TV isn't turning on. Carefully inspect the power cord for any visible damage or wear. If you notice fraying or exposed wires, it's best to replace the cord. Always use the manufacturer's original parts or certified replacements to ensure safety and compatibility. Step 3. Reset the TV. Next, you might want to try resetting your LG TV. Disconnect all cables and external devices connected to the TV. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for about 30 seconds. Afterward, reconnect the power cable and try turning on the TV again. This simple reset can sometimes clear any temporary glitches affecting the power system. Step 4. Test the remote control. Sometimes the issue is not with the TV itself, but with the remote control. Try turning on your TV using the power button located on the TV itself, not the remote. Additionally, check if the batteries in your remote need changing or if the remote is functioning properly by using it close to the TV's sensor. Step 5. Surge protector or power strip issues. If you're using a power strip or surge protector, it might be the culprit. Remove the TV from the power strip and connect it directly to the wall outlet to see if it turns on. Surge protectors can sometimes fail or cause issues with power delivery. Step 6. Examine the power board. For the tech savvy, examining the TV's power board might be an option. Unplug your TV, remove the back panel carefully, and visually inspect the power board for any signs of damage, burnt components, or blown capacitors. If there's any visible damage, it might require professional repair or board replacement. Step 7. Contact LG support. If all else fails, it's time to reach out to the professionals. LG support can provide additional troubleshooting steps or arrange for a service technician to diagnose and fix the issue. Have your TV's model number and warranty information on hand when contacting them. Having your LG TV off and the red light not showing can be an unnerving experience, but with this step-by-step guide, you're equipped to tackle the most common causes of the problem. From checking power connections and inspecting cords to performing resets and potentially contacting support, these measures can help you identify and resolve the issue promptly. Remember, safety first. If you're ever uncertain about handling electronic components, it's always wise to consult a professional. We hope this guide was helpful in showing you how to fix your LG TV not turning on when the red light is off. Stay tuned for more helpful tech tips and be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more content.